Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Okay guys, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey look, I got my selfie stick today. We inside the lobby. All right, we here to pick up the drippy drip wet whip, no cap. So we here at Capital Shine, about to go downstairs and get the whip, no cap. So 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'm not trying to scare the people away because we got people like right there. We got people over there. Yeah, and then we got the security guard right there, no cap. Talk to y'all later. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, look, we outside. We got a selfie stick. Saying, hey, we're in Capital Shine, I'm about to pick up my car right now. I'm in the elevator right now, you see where I'm at? Okay, so, let's go explore. Let's see, which way should I go? Okay. So, let me get situated. Let me get situated and I'll get back with you. We're gonna pick up the whip. It's gonna be clean. We got the PPF, we got the tent, and then we got the ceramic coating. No cap, talk to y'all later. Okay. Okay. Hey. We got the drip, boy. I gotta tell y'all. You looking fly. You looking fresh. Okay. Oh, we got the drip on it. We got the drip. You looking shiny drip. Okay. Let's go over there and see if I can find him. And the rest of the guys, Melvin and Kim. Hey, how you doing? Okay. Melvin or Kim? Just a second, man. Just a second. There he is right there, the real drip. What's up, player? What's going on? I'm 60BaeGrey, boy. Oh, come on, dab me up. Okay. Get these cars drippy. Hey, y'all got like, how many employees you got, man? Ooh, okay. They gonna kill me there. What's up, girl? Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Come on. Here we go. What's going on, girl?
How y'all?
Melvin. Come on, I gotta do, it's what they call a thumbnail. Hey, yeah, thumbnail. Okay. That's the thumbnail. So we're gonna look at the drip. Problems?
No, well, everything very nicely clean, no issues. Looks good.
Okay. Talk your talk. Let me know what's up.
So everything else on the front end is in PPF. We pretty much do precision cutting with the actual machine, so it's all pre-cut parts. A lot of stuff around the wraps around the edges, fully coated. Did the XR window tint, 35% in the two fronts as well as the rear glass, and then the ceramic coating, the fusion coating on the whole entire thing. So
Okay.
It goes, that has that gloss shine on the car right now.
All right, take like three steps back, get you in the light. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's go over real quick with everything I got.
So you got the full front end package, XPEL. You have the window tint, the XPEL XR tint, 35%, and you did the fusion coating on the whole entire car, wheels and all the paint.
Okay.
So everything else is done. That's why it has that little gloss to it. And if you weren't dripping before, you're definitely dripping now.
So explain to me about the fusion coating on the tires.
So not anything on the tires, that's actually just dressing. It's the rims that get coated in fusion coating. So the rims for the brake dust and everything else is gonna help tremendously with that. It's gonna make sure that you don't get those brake dust areas in and start to ruin the wheels.
So, quick question. Did you have to take the tires off?
No.
Okay, because I didn't know if I had to get a friend of the line, but okay. It's the real dip right here. Hey, no cap, boy. Capital Shine, be doing it up. Listen, I paid, I put 50% down. They told me I don't have to pay the other 50%. Is that true?
That is true.
No, that I don't have to pay the other 50%. Kim,
Yes.
I gotta pay the other 50%?
You do.
Oh, you gotta say no cap.
No cap.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around so y'all can see. You got that drip on right here too. That was important. I actually called Kim and asked her about that. Okay. All right. Vehicle inspection. Okay. Now the center one. Go ahead and start her up for me. Hit it twice. Oh, the real drip. Okay. All right. Hey, this 60BaeGrey, the real drip. I gotta pay this other 50%. I don't know where it's gonna come from, but y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe so I can get out of here. All right? I gotta pay for it, and share. So, hey, the 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, the post notifications white. That ain't right. The post notifications black. It's supposed to be like that. No cap. Let's go. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No cap. Hey, made it back home. Hey, look, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a look at the drip, see what happened. And first off, we gotta check out the drip here. See, we got the Adidas drip right there. We got the Adidas drip right there. And then we got the Adidas drip right there. So, yeah, people in my neighborhood driving by. Hey, what's going on, player? Hey, what's going on? So, we got the real drip here. So then now let's take a... All right, so like my man said, had ceramic coatings on the tires. So now we're in the sun. We outside. We're not inside. We're gonna take a look at the car. See, it's all drippy, shiny. Okay. All right. Okay. Like I'm using my cell phone. Okay. All right. Yeah, walking up on it. Let's get that front. It's another car coming through. Whoop, turn to the side. Whoop, what's up? Dude was driving by admiring my car. He had a Jaguar. Okay, player. Got his Jag. All right. So there you go, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Let's see if we can see the paint protection film. I can't. Oh yeah, I feel it right there. Oops. Yeah, I feel it right there. Can't see it. Dang, they did a good job. Dang, boy, they did a good job. No cap. It's 60BaeGrey, the real drip, boy. Try to tell y'all. Hey, ceramic coating. We got ceramic coating. We got the PPF, and then we got the tires ceramic coated, and then we have the tint. All right, so fun fact: PPF went on first, then ceramic went on top of the PPF. So it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Hey, we out here. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. All you guys, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.